Okay, Leon, I think this is our final day for graphs, and we're going to look at a circle graph today. Circle graphs are pretty neat. So we're going to be on this page. It says a circle graph shows parts of a whole. What does that remind you of? Well, it reminds me of fractions. Let's count and see how many parts are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they've divided it into eighths. So I'm going to put that on my paper. I'm going to do a line, and I know that there are 8 parts in all. I don't know how many parts we're using yet, but I know there's 8 parts in all. So I'm going to keep looking at that as we go through the circle graph. Let's read the story problem. The aquarium, that's the fish tank, contains 8 sea creatures. Each creature is part of the aquarium, sea life. The circle graph represents the aquarium, sea life. The circle is divided into 8 parts to match the 8 sea creatures. All right, don't do anything on the circle graph yet. All right, number 1 says, how many starfish are in the aquarium? How many do you see? I only see 1. Color that many parts of the circle graph yellow. I don't have yellow, so I'm going to color that many parts of the circle graph pink. There's 1 starfish, so there's 1 pink section. So I want you to color 1 section as well. Okay? So how much is that? That is 1/8. 1/8 of the circle is colored for the starfish. So the starfish has 1/8 of the circle. All right, it says how many clownfish. You know what a clownfish is? It's the little red and white stripes, or the orange and white. There's 1. How many did you get? I got 5 too. How many clownfish are in the aquarium? 5. Color that many parts of the circle graph orange. So we're going to color 5 sections orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I've got 5 marked off. I've got 5 marked off, and I'm going to color them. All right, you color your 5. Starting to look like an orange. All right, good enough. All right, so I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many have we colored orange? 5 out of how many total? 8. 5 out of 8 are orange. So 5/8 represents the clownfish. So they take up 5/8 of the creatures in the tank. How many seahorses are in the aquarium? How many do you see? I see this many. It says color that many parts of the circle green. All right, so the remainder parts of the circle are only 2, and that's how many seahorses there are. So I'm going to color 2 parts green. And you color yours. And you have to do it because I am going to check it. All right, this is a mixed up piece of fruit. All right, so we have 2 parts green. So we have 2 out of how many total? How many total parts in the circle? 8. So 2/8 are green. That's how a circle graph works. It's another way to picture data. That's information. And usually the information is counting information. Oh, we've got some coordinate graphs on the back. Did you like coordinate graphs yesterday? I bet you are good at them. All right, so the coordinate always has 2 numbers in parentheses. The first number tells you how many are going across, and the second number tells you how many up. The first number tells you how many across, and the second one tells you how many up. I'm going to tell you a little secret. The first number is called the X, and the second number is called the Y. I don't know why they picked those letters, but X is this way and Y is up. So when you get older, you're going to see that, and you're going to know I told you so. All right. It says, write the ordered pair to tell the animal's locations. Tricky, tricky, tricky. All right. Let me see if I can do this. A manatee. All right, I want to see if you get the same thing I do. Did you get 4, 3? Because you go over to the 4 and then up 1. Oh, I messed up. I knew it. I knew I was going to mess up. It's 4, 2. 4, 2. Is that what you got? It is. Oh, goodness. Miss Amy messed up. It's 1, 2. All right, not 3. All right, let's see if I can get the next one right. Octopus. Where's the octopus? Oh, I see it. All right, I think I've got the first number. I think I have the second number. Oops, I missed the first number. Goodness gracious, I'm so bad at this. All right, let's see. Did you get 2, 1? Let's see if Miss Amy's right. So we go 1, 2. So it's on a 2. And then you go up 1. So it looks like 2, 1 to me. Did you get 2, 1? Good. All right, now let's see the shark. All right, I see what he's on. I got to see what he's on up here. All right, so he is on 5 across. So he's on the 5, and he's on the 6 going up. Whoop! He's on the 6 going up. Okay, so he's 5, 6. So his X is what? And his Y is 6. All right, stingray. Stingray. All right, the stingray is over on the 6 going across, and going up it's on the 3. So I have 6, 3. Did you get that? All right. It says circle the animal that is located at the ordered pair. Neato, neato. Well, it says 3, go over 3, and up 4. Which one is it? I got jellyfish. Whoops. Did you get jellyfish? You go over 3 and up 4. All right, it says 1, 6. What'd you get? I got dolphin. Because you go over 1 and up 6. Okay, so you just go over 1 and up 6. That is a dolphin. Whew, coordinate graphs. All right, use the picture graph to answer the question. All right, what do you need to notice the most about this graph? You need to notice the title, Sandwiches Sold. Over on the other side, it tells you the different types. We have cheese, chicken, ham, or jelly. But what does it tell you at the bottom? 1 piece of bread equals 2 sandwiches. So this one is counting by 2. All right, now I'm going to let you do this by yourself. Look at the cat back there. You see her by the back door? Here she is. She's looking at the dog. All right, I'm going to let you do this one by yourself, okay? So I will be back for multiplication practice, and I will see you in just a minute.